Hello, guys. This video will show you how to check the real shipping fees for your orders. In your DSers dashboard, navigate to Open Orders. Access the AliExpress page and you're under the Awaiting Order tab by default. Find the order in which there are 3 variants from the same supplier and click on the Order button. In the pop-up, take a look at the shipping fee column. The shipping cost of each variant is $1.99 and DSers will add up them and calculate the total shipping cost of the order as $5.97. Click Confirm to place your order. Switch to the Awaiting Payment tab and click the numbers next to order number. You will be redirected to the AliExpress order details page. You can now view the actual shipping cost that will be applied to your order. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team. Happy dropshipping!